It is a special privilege to be here again in Assam, to be part of this Advantage Assam Summit 2.0. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, under your admirable visionary leadership, the Act East policy has brought a significant fast-paced growth for Assam. It's a paradigm shift in the development of this state and to the Northeast India. Coupled with the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, the state has seen unprecedented growth towards becoming an industrial hub and could become the trade corridor for India with ASEAN and Southeast nations. Assam holds a very special place in the heart of the Tata Group. It is a relationship that has been nurtured over several decades and strengthened by our shared commitment to progress and development of India's Northeast. This connection is also deeply personal for us, especially because of the proud affection and respect Sri Ratan Tata ji had for this state of Assam. The Tata Group has a very large, long, and significant presence spanning diverse sectors in Assam. We already employ more than 55,000 people in the state. The Tata Trust, in partnership with the government of Assam, has 17 cancer hospital network. The Tata Consumer Company has 21 tea estates and 20 tea manufacturing and packaging factories in the state. And it is committed to the success of the tea industry in the state. Tata Power already has several thousands of rooftop solar, thousands of solar pumps, and more than 300 EV charging stations in the state. TCS has its training and development center for more than 10 years and has partnered with the state of Assam for automating the state administration tax systems. Indian Hotels has a couple of hotels here and has already signed up to expand into 5 more iconic hotels. Tata Motors, Tata Steel, and all our retail companies, Westside, Chroma, Big Basket, and Titan, Tanishq, and many other stores have a very strong presence already and are growing rapidly. However, 2024 was the most defining year for our relationship between the Tata Group and the state of Assam. Our new company, Tata Electronics, announced the establishment of India's first indigenous semiconductor assembly and test facility in Jagi Road and put Assam in the map of the global semiconductor industry and supply chain. And let me tell you, this is just the beginning. The semiconductor chips are the backbone of modern society. We rarely think about chips, yet globalization as we know today would not exist without semiconductors and the electronic products that they make possible. Today, countries are recognizing how self-sufficiency in semiconductors is a matter of national security, and hence it is so critical for our country. I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister for his foresight and very proactive action through a semiconductor policy which I and my colleagues consider is one of the very best in the world. We are committed to fulfilling your vision, sir, of India's decade, Chips for Vikshit Bharat. In March 2024, the Honorable Prime Minister, you laid the foundation stone for this factory in Joggi Road. I am pleased to say it is progressing at breakneck speed. The record speed of progress has been made possible by the leadership of Honorable Minister Shri Ashwini Vaishnav and the officials and secretaries from the Ministry of Electronics and IT, and the extraordinary efforts of our Chief Minister Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma ji. The spirit of one team, one dream from Government of Assam and the Tata Group enabled the progress of this project at a very fast pace. And let me also say here, Government of Assam, in our opinion, has set a benchmark of good governance, transparency, and listening to industry as a key differentiator for fostering industrial growth. The Tata Electronics facility will have an investment of 27,000 crores and will produce 48 million chips per day. It will be the largest semiconductor chip packaging facility in this part of the world, in India and Southeast Asia, right here in Joggi Road, creating over 30,000 jobs. This facility will be a cornerstone of modern, high-tech industrialization of Northeast India, and we are committed to establish one of country's first semiconductor manufacturing clusters here in Assam. This will pave the way for us to bring and set up a cluster of small, medium, and large-size ecosystem companies. Apart from the ecosystem, this factory will bring many global companies as customers and top talent from around the world to Assam. Global customers will come from the areas of automotive, communication technology, logistics, consumer and industrial electronics, and many other sectors. The Indian design companies and product companies are looking forward to this factory to realize their dream of Make in India. I would like to say one thing very emphatically. To all of you who are present here today, it is my very humble belief that one day the cars that you drive, the mobile phones that you use, the televisions you watch, the medical equipment that scan your body, and the home appliances that you will use in your daily life would be powered by the chips packaged here in Joggi Road. I have that firm belief. I believe there are two critical factors which will contribute to the success of the semiconductor industry in Assam. The first is the ecosystem. No one makes semiconductors alone. The success of any semiconductor manufacturing facility is closely tied to a thriving ecosystem. Today, it gives me great pleasure to see semiconductor ecosystem players from around the world. Already, many of our partners, ASMPT, DISCO, BESI, K&S, and TL, Tokyo Electron, all of them are already setting up presence here. And today, we will be signing MOUs with 10 more such partners. So very much this ecosystem is developing here right now. The second critical aspect is the skilled talent. While we have hired a team of global domain experts for indigenously developing the technology, the Tata Group is now focused on skilling the youth of Assam through its collaboration with several educational institutions here and agencies like IIT Guwahati and NEELIT. Tata Indian Institute of Skills is partnering with Tata Electronics and other companies here, and we are developing the semiconductor talent here. Our goal is to at least enable a very high skilled labor of 5,000 people every year for several years to come. Now, coming to the future, I would like to emphatically say our deep commitment to state of Assam and the Northeast. We will invest in another large manufacturing facility in electronics, urban and mobile technology in this state in the coming 5 years, which will have a similar investment and will create more than 30,000 jobs. Tata Power is committed to partner with the state of Assam in their movement towards green economy. We are already partnering with Assam for providing 500 megawatts of hydropower from our hydro project in Bhutan. And under the Prime Minister Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Yojana program, we will be putting 3 lakh households on solar rooftops. And we are looking to invest in the next 5-6 years 1 gigawatt per year, totaling about 5 gigawatts of renewable power in a variety of technologies, not only from solar, and hopefully under the guidance and vision of the Prime Minister, SMRs. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, you, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, for your pioneering mindset and clarion call to industry to realize your dream of Ashtalakshmi for the Northeast states. The presence of very eminent industrial giants here and all other people who are investing in Assam, I'm pretty sure this is going to happen. I'm grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Hemanta Biswas ji, for your proactive and transparent leadership and your inquisitiveness to deeply understand the emerging areas like the semiconductors. Tata Group is proud to be a partner in Assam's journey for Advantage Assam 2.0. Our investments and footprint in Assam will continue to grow, create jobs, and contribute to its social and economic development. Along with the government, we will build our partnership of trust, mutual respect, and shared vision for a prosperous future. Dhanyavad.